chapter HCF and LCM for grade 6 and 7. Topic: Word problems of HCF and LCM. Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have explained relationship between HCF and LCM. In this video, I will explain word problems of HCF and LCM. There are two types of word problems of HCF and LCM. So, I am going to make two videos. In first video, I will cover all the same type of sums, and in the second video, I will cover the second type of sums related to HCF and LCM. This topic is included for class 6 and 7. We have learned different methods to find HCF and LCM. In word problems, there are few students who find it difficult to understand whether they have to find HCF or LCM in that particular sum. So we will take few examples and then I will tell you few keywords which will help you to understand whether you have to find HCF or LCM in that sum. Now I will read the first sum to you. 3 tankers contains 350 liters, 385 liters and 455 liters of petrol respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the petrol of the 3 tankers exact number of times. In this sum, quantity of petrols in 3 tankers is given to us. That is, the first tanker contains 350 liters of petrol, second tanker contains 385 liters of petrol and the third tanker contains 455 liters of petrol. And they have asked to find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the petrol of the 3 tankers exact number of times. So here the key word is maximum capacity. Maximum means highest, that is HCF. So here to find out the maximum capacity of a container, we have to find the HCF of 350, 385 and 455. Here I am using prime factorization method to find the HCF of these 3 numbers. You can use any method to find out HCF. So here 350, when we divide it by 2, we get 175. Again we divide by 5, so we get 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the factors of 350 are 2, 5, 5 and 7. Next is 385. It is divisible by 5. So 385 divided by 5 is 77. When 77 is divided by 7, 11 is there. We divide 11, so we get 1. So the factors of 385 are 5, 7, 11. Next is 455. So when we divide it by prime number, that is 5, we get 91. When we divide 91 by 7, we get 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. So the factors of 455 are 5, 7 and 13. For HCF, we take the common factors. So the first common factors of these 3 numbers is 5. And the second factor which is common to all 3 numbers is 7. So we will multiply the common factors, that is 5 and 7. So the HCF we get is 35. So I am not going in much detail to find out the HCF because that already I have explained in my previous videos. So last we will write the sentence that therefore a container of capacity 35 liters is required to measure the petrol of the 3 tankers exact number of times. So how we understood that we are supposed to find HCF? That from the word maximum capacity. Now I will read the second sum. The length, breadth and height of a room are 9 meter 45 centimeters, 7 meter 29 centimeters and 8 meter 64 centimeters respectively. Determine the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. In second sum, length of the room is 9 meter 45 centimeter, breadth of the room is 7 meter 29 centimeter and height of the room is 8 meter 64 centimeters. First we will convert this meter and centimeters into one unit, that is centimeter. So 9 meter 45 centimeter will become 945 centimeter. 7 meter 29 centimeter will become 729 centimeter. 8 meter 64 centimeter will become 864 centimeter. Here the key word of this sum is longest tape. So longest again means the maximum or the highest. So it will be HCF. So in this we have to find out the longest tape which can measure all 3 dimensions of the room, that is height, breadth and length. So, length of the longest tape will be the HCF of these 3 numbers, that is 945, 729 and 864. Here I will find HCF by common division method. Again remember, you can find HCF by any method. So 945, 729 and 864 is divisible by 3. So we will divide these numbers by 3 and we get 315, 243 and 288. Again these 3 numbers are divisible by 3. So we will divide and we will get 105, 81 and 96, which again is divisible by 3, which is a prime number. So we will get 35, 27 and 32. These 3 numbers are not divisible by any common prime number. So we will stop here. So the prime factors are 3, 3, 3. So HCF of 945, 729 and 864 is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Hence, the required length of the longest tape is 27 centimeter. Third sum. 3 ropes of length 48 centimeter, 72 centimeter and 92 centimeter are cut into equal size small pieces. What will be the maximum length of each piece? Now in third sum, length of 3 ropes are given to us, that is 48 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 92 centimeters. And we are asked to find the maximum length of each piece. These 3 ropes are cut into small pieces and we have to find the maximum length of each piece. Maximum length is the keyword. So again we will find the HCF of these 3 numbers. So the first thing we will write, maximum length of each piece will be HCF of 48, 72 and 92. So here we will find the HCF by common division method. So 48, 72 and 92 are divisible by 2. So we will get 24, 36 and 46. Again these are divisible by 2. We will get 12, 18 and 23. These 3 numbers are not divisible by any common prime number. So we will stop here and the prime factors are 2 and 2. Therefore, HCF of 48, 72 and 92 is 2 into 2, that is 4. So maximum length of each piece will be 4 centimeters. Next sum. 3 shopkeepers have 100 kg, 140 kg and 180 kg of 3 types of rice respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a bag such that quantity of rice of each type can be packed in exact number of bags. In this sum, the quantity of rice the first shopkeeper have is 100 kg, the second shopkeeper have 140 kg, and the third shopkeeper have 180 kg. And here we have to find the maximum capacity of the pack such that quantity of a rice of each type can be packed in exact number of bags. So here again the key word is maximum capacity. So maximum capacity means we have to find the HCF of three numbers, that is 100, 140 and 180. So the first thing we will write that the quantity of rice three farmers have are 100 kg, 140 kg and 180 kg, which is given in the sum. Second thing we will write maximum capacity of the bag will be equals to HCF of 100, 140 and 180. I will find HCF of these three numbers by common division method. So 100, 120 and 180 is divisible by 2. So we will get 50, 60 and 90. When these are divided by 2, we get 25, 30 and 45. 25, 30 and 45 are divisible by 5. So we get 5, 7 and 9. These are not divisible by any common prime number. So the factors of these three numbers are 2, 2 and 5. So HCF of 100, 120, 180 is 2 into 2 into 5, that is equals to 20. So we will write the last statement, that is maximum capacity of bag of 20 kg is required to pack each type of rice in exact number of bags. Next sum. Packets of biscuits can be arranged in a box in groups of 36, 54 and 81 with 3 packets of biscuits left over. Find the least number of packets of biscuits in the box. So in this sum it is given that packets of biscuits are arranged in a group of 36, 54 and 81. And after doing this, 3 packets are left. Find the least number of packets of biscuits in the box. So here the keyword is least number. Least means the lowest, that is LCM. So here first thing we will write the packets in a group of 36, 54 and 81, which is given in the sum. Second thing, from the keyword that is least number, we can understand that we have to find LCM. So we will write least number of packets means LCM of 36, 54 and 81. So by prime factorization, if we'll find the LCM, then 36 is divided by 2. So 18 again divided by 2, we get 9. Divided by 3, we get 3. Divided by 3, we get 1. For 54, divided by 2, we get 27. Divided by 3, we get 9. When this is divided by 3, we get 3. Divided by 3, we get 1. 81 divided by 3, we get 27. When 27 is divided by 3, we get 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, 3. So here 2, 2 times, 3, 2 times. Next is 54. So the factors are 2, 3, 3, 3. That means 2 ones, 3 times. Next is 81. 3, 3, 3, 3. There is no 2, that means 2 raised to power 0, that means no 2 factor is there. So here the 3 is 4 times. Now we have to see for LCM which have the highest number of factors. So here first factor is 2, here it is 1, here it is 2. So the maximum number is 2. So we will write 2 2 times. 3 here, 2 times is present, here 3 times and here 4 times. The maximum number is 4 times. So we will write 3 4 times, 3, 3, 3, 3. And we will multiply these factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and we get 324. LCM here we got is 324. That is the least number of packets of biscuit that can be packed. But here one more thing is given in the sum, that is leftover packets of biscuits are there, that is 3. So we have to add this 3 to the least common factors, then only we will get the answer. So the least number of packets of biscuit in the box when 3 packets of biscuits are left over will be 324 plus 3, which is 327. Next sum. 3 persons started together for their morning walk. Their steps measures 48 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 72 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? So in this sum, the first thing is given, that is steps measures 48 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 72 centimeter. So we will write that first. Now here the key word is minimum distance. So from this word we understand minimum means the least. So it is LCM. So from this word we can know that we have to find LCM. So next thing we will write the required minimum distance means LCM of 48, 60 and 72. Here we will find LCM by common division method. Again remember that you can find LCM also by any method which is convenient to you. So here when we divide 48, 60 and 72 by 2 we get 24, 30, 36. This is divisible by 2 and we get 12, 15 and 18. Again this is divisible by 3 and we get 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6 is not divisible by any common factor. For LCM, we take the common factors first, that is 2, 2 and 3. And lastly, we take the uncommon factors or the factors which are in the last row, that is 4, 5 and 6. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So it is 1400. So the last sentence, as it is a word problem, we will write a complete sentence. The minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete step is 1400 centimeter. 4 alarms start ringing at an interval of 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 16 seconds and 18 seconds respectively. After how much time will all the alarms ring together? In this sum, it is given that different alarms rings at an intervals of 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 16 seconds and 18 seconds. Now here, they have asked us to find the time when all the alarms rings together. So here together what is there? That means we have to find LCM of 10, 12, 16 and 18. So here we will find LCM of 10, 12, 16 and 18 by common division method. You can use any method, and if you have confusion in finding LCM or HCF, then you can refer the video in which I have explained the different methods to find LCM and HCF. So here the factors we got after finding the LCM. The factors of 10, 12, 16 and 18 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is equals to 720. Now here 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So either we can write that 720 seconds or we can divide the 720 by 60, so we get 12. So here we can write the final statement as after 720 seconds or 12 minutes, all the alarms will ring together. Now next sum. Shilpa, Priya and Meena start their morning walk at same time from same point and in the same direction around a circular walk path. Shilpa completes a round in 240 seconds, Priya in 300 seconds and Meena in 360 seconds. Find after what time they will meet again at the starting point from where they started. Now in this sum, three girls, Shilpa, Priya and Meena, are going for a morning walk starting from the same point and they are walking in the same direction. So Shilpa takes 240 seconds, Priya takes 300 seconds and the third one, that is Meena, takes 360 seconds. We have to find after what time they will meet again at the starting point from where they started. So here at the same time they have to meet at a starting point. So here we have, for that we have to find LCM. They will meet again at the starting point, that is the same point from where they have started. So it indicates that we have to find the LCM of 240, 300 and 360. Again, I have used a common division method to find the LCM of 240, 300 and 360. The factors we got are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 times 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 5. When we multiply this, we get 3600 seconds. So we can say that they will meet again at the starting point after 3600 seconds. But here 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. That means when we divide 3600 by 60, we get 60 minutes. And 60 minutes means 1 hour. So we can write that they will meet again at the starting point after 3600 seconds or 60 minutes or 1 hour. The keywords for finding HCF are greatest or highest or maximum. This type of words indicates that we have to find out HCF, that is the highest common factor. And keywords for LCM are least, minimum, altogether, etc. So when these words are there, we have to find LCM, that is least common factor. And please write the last statement completely as it is a word problem. I have tried my best to cover all the different types of sums related to LCM and HCF from first category. I will discuss the second category in the next video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.